Welcome to Great Day Plus, brought to you by Texas Mattress Makers.
Tom Brady is always winning MVP, but people might not know that you have actually won MVP as the most valuable bed maker. All right, fact of the matter is, a lot of the pro athletes who are here in town sleep on your beds. And obviously, if you're like 6'5" and 289 pounds, the mattress you sleep on cannot be the average mattress.
No one should sleep on the average mattress, but when you're that size and wide and very muscular, you cannot sleep on what you call an average mattress.
Yeah. And by the same token, somebody who's very petite and very curvy can't sleep on an average mattress.
Exactly. It creates petite and very curvy, has its own different issues that you need to have done to create a mattress for you.
That's why you suggest that people come in, if it's the mattress that they are sleeping on night after night, come in here and take the time to get that mattress individualized for you. And you can do that, you do that at a great price because you are actually the manufacturer. So let's go over here, because we've said that a number of times, but we want to show you, they actually make the mattress for you.
Right.
A lot of stores will have mattresses that they're selling that come from other places and even other countries. But this is Texas Mattress Makers, made right here in Houston, Texas.
Right.
When we look at a mattress, it's a square. It's a pretty quilted square, but there's so much that goes into the inside of it to make sure it's a perfect fit for people.
Every individual has a different feel. To create a different feel, you need to create it with different products. Foam, densities, compressions. Springs. Some springs are very firm, some springs are very supple, some springs are very supportive, some springs are not, and so on and so forth. Yeah. So everything here has the product to create that feel, as you said earlier.
Yeah. And what your needs are. I mean, you have some couples who may weigh several hundred pounds together, and they need a good firm mattress. And you have other people, of course, as we mentioned, that may be much more petite, or kids or whatever, or people who have some health issues, if they have back issues or whatever. You can address that with exactly what you're putting in that mattress as well.
Everything that we need to address your comfort issue, we can manufacture to fit your body.
Yeah. The other nice thing about this is if you're making it right here in town, delivery is a shorter time span.
Worst case scenario, you order something special. Today is Monday, Saturday it's in your house. Yeah. It's as fast as you can make anything that is special made for you, because we have all the components in-house and we have the expertise to be able to put different components in, as you called it, this rectangle that looks pretty, inside to create a different feel for you and for your partner, or just for you, it doesn't matter. All
right, so I can hear people say, this is gonna cost a whole lot more if you're custom fitting a mattress to me. The reason why it doesn't cost a whole lot more is because you're here already. The factory is here already.
That's exactly right. It's not gonna cost you a penny more. In fact, in most instances, it's gonna cost you less to buy this mattress here than it would be to buy a mattress somewhere else that I custom made for you.
Yeah, because you are the factory. You're going directly from the factory to that person.
Correct. There's nothing between me and you except the air, right? So you don't pay anything in the middle to acquire this mattress.
The other great thing about being the factory is that sometimes people will come in and have an antique bed, and so they need a different size, because there were European sizes back then, if it's a European antique. And some people would like a much bigger bed, or maybe something a little bit smaller, like I did with my son. It's really a sofa that's a bed at the same time in his room, because his room is smaller.
Anything you have at home that you want to fit a mattress on, we'll make. Anything that you can think of that you want to make, as you did for your son's room, we can make.
All right, well, let's go into the showroom and show how people can get perfectly fitted for their mattress. This is one of the rooms that people can come into and lay on the mattress, and you can see how it actually conforms to their body. But if you have to, you can also get a mattress online.
If you're going to buy a mattress for yourself to use every night, please, please, please come in here. Let us fit you into a mattress. If you need a mattress for a child or a spare bedroom, you can buy it online.
If you want to sleep like a pro, Texas Mattress Makers is having a huge online sale with mattress sets starting at $349. Go online and score one for your child's room, a guest room, or your own room. To see Texas Mattress Makers' entire selection of mattresses, visit texasmattressmakers.com or give them a call at 713-341-6252. You can also stop by their showroom in Katy or visit their factory location on Navigation Boulevard. We all remember Deflategate, right? Make sure you have a mattress with the right support.